Today we are presenting InspectIQ, an SAP-based intelligent inspection management system which is aimed to transform our inspection process from a reactive manual approach to a proactive predictive reliability model. So the main aim of the solution is to digitize the complete inspection life cycle from inspection scheduling, workflow approvals, and to recommendation tracking, dashboards, and ultimately predictive analytics. On the same lines, as you can see here, we have developed a prototype for scheduling inspection activities for static assets across all HPCL refineries. So this is the home page. This is the home dashboard. It displays all the total number of assets which are due for inspection during the current month. So these are all the assets which are due for inspection during the current month, internal as well as external. So the system automatically it will generate a notification for each due inspection, and the notification numbers for internal inspections they will begin with the 9 series, while the external inspection notifications begin with 6 series. Apart from this dashboard, the user can also focus on any particular asset in any process unit of HPCL, MR, and VR, and check its history and the upcoming inspection schedule. So let's say we have 72 V1 in this particular unit of Vizag refinery. We have taken dummy values. We click on proceed. So we will be taken to the asset wise inspection schedule for this particular asset. So here we have the equipment inspection history, the previous notifications for each type of inspection, the date of previous inspections, what is the status of the various uh, previous notifications. All of this will be is mentioned here, and the inspection activity scheduled, upcoming inspection activity scheduled for this particular asset is also mentioned here. Apart from this, in the event of an unplanned outage for any asset, for example, if any leak occurs, a separate notification can be generated here in this section using the 7 series notification. So this we have to manually generate. It will not be automatically generated by the system. So now if any automatically generated notification, if we go to that, let's say we are selecting internal inspection notification for this particular asset. So this is our comprehensive checklist for internal inspection for this particular, for any asset. For every asset, this sort of checklist will come. Different checklists for different types of for different types of equipments, for example, vessels, exchangers, and for different types of inspections also, such as external inspection, internal inspection, there will be varying checklists. So here, for example, we have open internal inspection. So we have various tabs for visual inspection, thickness, hydro test, NDT reports, and GA drawing. So this GA drawing we have to actually upload in the backend, like before only. The admin has to upload this and some other data also, such as the various components of this particular asset will be uploaded beforehand, which will automatically uh, show here. So these component details are showing automatically. So we have to select the condition here. Let's say if the condition is satisfactory, we don't have to put anything else. Like we don't have to select anything else. There's no observation, there's no recommendation. The system is assuming that the condition is satisfactory. If we select it as non-satisfactory, we will have option to enter all the observations pertaining to that component, and we can select the criticality level also. This will be very beneficial in tracking the various uh, recommendations. We can have a very good uh, dashboard where we can show what are the critical, non-critical, semi-critical issues or recommendations which are open or which are yet to be worked upon. So here, if we give the recommendations and if we select this as yes, repairs required, This will give us the option to raise an IWL for this particular component. And all these whatever IWLs points which you are raising, they will be added to a common work order, which can then be approved by the section head, and it can be released to the relevant department. In this case, let's say it is maintenance on site. We can also select target dates. Apart from visual inspection, we also have thickness gauging. Thickness gauging, original thickness and corrosion allowance we can feed from before only, based on which we can have a record for this, for our each and every asset. Here also we can, based on our UTG review also, we can route if any particular for any particular component, if some patch repair or permanent repair is required, we can route uh, those recommendations to the relevant departments. So other facets of internal inspection such as hydro test, NDTs, they are also mentioned. Once our report uh, report is completed, we can either save it or we can submit it for review by our respective section head, inspection section head. Review by section head. His window will look something like this, where you can approve, edit, and monitor the submitted refinery inspection checklist by field engineers. So here, as you can see, right now there are 6 pending reviews, 1 critical submission, and 10 open repair actions for which action has to be taken. Here are the asset-wise pending reports, like a dashboard. And here is the detail of submitted inspections. This is how his review uh, sheet will look like, exactly identical uh, to the one available with the field engineer, so that he can also make necessary changes. And once everything is okay, section head can give overall comments and approve and release the same to his maintenance and operation department counterparts.